Today we are at Bluff Point State Park and Coastal Reserve in Groton. I don't know how you say it, but it's in Connecticut. Let's check it out. We're gonna do the hike first and see where we end up on the water. And as always, we'll do our best to clean up along the way. What's pretty cool about this place is that along the main trail is a bunch of these smaller trails. So if you want to go a little further into your exploration, you can, and you're met with things like this. We might check them out a little bit later, but for now we're going to take the loop on the water, which is back to this main trail here. On your hike, you'll notice you come across these openings like this that lead to areas of the Long Island Sound. It's pretty funny. So we've done about 3/4 of a mile so far out of the 3.5. All pretty flat, pretty wide open, and like mentioned before, pretty clean, which is nice to see. I'll check back in a little bit when we get a little bit further.